Hi everyone, my name is Philippe Dose. I work in Orange in France, and I will present you some works we have done in the Acumos project to support ONNX model. So, first of all, I will talk briefly about ONNX and Acumos. Then I will depict the main requirement to onboard ONNX in Acumos. And then I will present you the ONNX for Acumos client. So ONNX means Open Neural Network Exchange. It is an open source format to allow data scientists to exchange their model amongst many frameworks, tools, runtimes, and etc. And then Acumos. So Acumos was the first project of LFAI and Data Foundation. It is a marketplace of AI models that is the daily life of data scientists and allow to build, store, share, versioning AI model and ease their deployment by transforming the model as a serving model thanks to Dockerization. So what are the main requirements to onboard on the ONNX model in Acumos? You must create some specific materials required by Acumos, like a protobuf signature to be able to send and receive data to and from the serving model. And Acumos need also some metadata, mainly the dependencies required by the model to transform the model as a serving model. These different files are packaged in a model bundle, and it is this model bundle that is on board in Acumos, not only the model itself. You must onboard the model plus the protobuf signature plus the metadata file. So to create this specific ONNX client for Acumos, we use another existing client, the Acumos Python client. This Python client is currently in use for all the Python model written by a data scientist. And then we enrich this Python client with the use of ONNX, ONNX runtime, and ONNX runtime backend library. Now, this ONNX client is available on PyPy like any other Python library. So you can choose to use ONNX for Acumos in a dump mode. In that case, the model bundle is simply created and stored locally. You can use it later for Acumos or Acumos onboarding if you want. And you can also use it to test your ONNX model locally. The command line is very simple. Just type ONNX for Acumos, following by your model.onnx file. Then, if you have dumped your model bundle locally, so you can test it thanks to the Acumos model runner. Acumos model runner is another Python library available on PyPy. It will take the role of the server part, and then you have to use a Python script provided by ONNX for Acumos to take the role of the client part. Acumoz Model Runner is very easy to use. Just type Acumoz Model Runner following by the folder where your model bundle is stored. And then a Swagger interface will be up and running on your localhost at port 3330. The Python script provided by ONNX for Acumoz is in fact a skeleton script that must be filled with pre and post-processing data method. You can find example of this method on the ONNX model zoo in GitHub. I will not go deeply in the description of this Python script. Everything is explained on the Acumoz for ONNX PyPy web page. As you can see here, I use it with Python 3.6. I put as an input some image, airplane, car, and we can see that we have some result from GoogleNet model with a level of confidence for each of the results. So if you use ONNX for Acumoz in a push mode, the model bundle will be created, then automatically pushed or on board in Acumoz. To do that, you have to create a .ini file to pass some parameter. And you can also choose to create or not the serving model in Acumoz at the end of onboarding, thanks to the MS parameter. Okay, so once the model is onboarded successfully in Acumoz, you can take benefits of all the Acumoz features like marketplace, versioning of the model. You can share the model, you can use the serving model, you can use your model in a design studio, and you have also a licensing mechanism. Thank you for your attention. This presentation is now finished. And if you have some question, don't hesitate.